Okay, today we're going to create the next video of the series, and it is going to be the famous OPNsense Firewall. Just going to look into our lab again very quickly. So, what we're going to do today we're going to replace this VOS firewall with the OPNsense Firewall. So, let me go into our diagram quickly. So, this is our firewall. So we're going to replace this firewall with OPNsense Firewall. Basically, the major difference between VOS Firewall and OPNsense Firewall, the OPNsense Firewall got a graphical user interface, web interface, so we can do configuration easily uh, instead of doing the configuration through the terminal in VOS Firewall. Okay, right, let's get it started. Uh, Okay, so I'm going to create a new virtual machine here. Next, next. Okay, so I'm just going to use I'll go to one of the disks here and my drive and ISO image that is OpenSense 24.7. You can download it from OpenSense website. Okay, so just detected FreeBSD version 10. That's fine. Go ahead. OS firewall v 1.0. Okay, go next. That should be fine. I'm going to increase memory to 2 GB, 2048. Here we're going to create four network interfaces for each site, including the internet connected, which is bridge to my laptop network. So I'll leave it as a bridge, and before I'm going to start the machine, I'm going to create another three interfaces. So go next, 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 new, 20, enough. Store virtual disk as a single file, leave it. Okay, next, customize hardware. So ISO is right, processors, virtualization, and put a one, I'm going to add another three, finish, add, finish, add, finish. So we've got three adapters. The first one going to be for hexagon.local, which hexagon.local lab site. So that 10.10.10.24. And the second one going to be circle.hexagon.local. So that should be 20 range. The last one going to be rectangle. So this is the last one. So press OK. Finish. And then we're going to power on the machine. Once this power on is going to load through ISO image, the first thing I'm going to do, just get it installed to my virtual machine. Let it load. It's nearly ready. Okay, so first thing I'm going to log in and assign interfaces, and then going to enable DHCP to my WAN interface, and then just going to assign a one interface for one LAN interface, the first site. All right, let me log in. Open Okay, so I just have to log in a different way to get it installed. So go to installer and OPNsense. Okay, so this is we're going to install this one into our virtual machine. So hit select. Yeah, we got installed. Right, we got some redundancy here. I'm not going to use anything, so I'm just going to go with the default. Okay, so this is one. Okay, are you sure you want to go ahead? Yes, go tap. Yes. All right. So this is going to install OpenSense firewall into our virtual machine. All right, I just going to pause time to time, get it installed. It might take a little while, not very long. Okay, it didn't take too long. It's going to restart now. I mean, it's booting from my virtual machine. Okay, it's ready. Just going to give some IP addresses and then assign interfaces. Let me log in. Okay, so we got a menu. You can configure the basic things of firewall. So I'm going to first number one, assign interfaces. Okay, so do you want to configure lags now? No. VLANs? No, we're not going to do any VLAN here. Okay, so enter the WAN interface name. WAN interface should be EM0. Okay, so enter the LAN interface name. LAN interface is EM1. Okay, so optional interface 1 going to be EM2. Optional interface 2 going to be EM3. So that's it. So the interface will be assigned follow. So WAN is EM0, LAN is EM1. That's the first site. Optional 1 and optional 2 for second and third site. So do you want to proceed? Yes. Okay. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to assign a DSCP address for a WAN interface. It's already on a DSCP anyway. 192.168.0.24. Yeah, we'll probably leave it as it is. And I'm going to go into LAN interface. LAN is EM1. So send interface IP address. Uh, yeah, I want to configure LAN first. Okay. Uh, interface IP address number two. Okay, so LAN number one. Okay, no, not DHCP. Okay, the LAN address. LAN address going to be firewall uh, gateway interface address for site one. So that one is 10.10.10.254. Okay, so that's subnet mask is 24. The upstream gateway. Now this is not a WAN, so I'll leave it as this. Configure No. LAN interface, no. Configure IV code, no. We're not going to set up any 6. Enter the LAN IP address, no. Do you want DHCP7? No. Yes. That's easy. Otherwise, it will ask about certificate problem. Yes. Okay, I'm going to configure that WAN as well. When I want to disable IPv6. Right, so number 2, number 4, configure IP address via DHCP. Yes. DHCP. No. No DHCP. Yes. Okay. So basically, we got 2 IP addresses set up in our firewall now. So the first one is a LAN interface, 10.10.10.254, and then a WAN interface, which is bridged to my laptop wireless network adapter. So that's 192.168.0.24. All right, now we are ready to log in through this firewall through the web interface. So let's try to log in into that now. Okay, so 10.10.10.254. So this is firewall IP address, copy, right, and paste another one, paste and go. All right, so this is the first page coming up for the interface. 1 second.